other changes that they have done or enhancement they have done is the changing of file format. So it's not so much of an enhancement, it's just more of a file format change that they have done, and it was updated. Kind of like Microsoft Office, they went through the updates of their format where you have the docx, the xlsx, and things like that. DWG didn't go there, but you have the DWF, then you had DWFX or something like that. If you use macro recorder, all right, so if we go into our manage tab and we go into our action recorder right here, I call it macro recorder. All of this is pretty much the same. You start drawing out, for example, a rectangle. Let me just make sure that I am recording. So it is recording, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of put this simple thing, and I'm just gonna press enter. Now what happens is the action recorder, when I stop it, it actually asks for a name. And so you can see it used to be ACTM, now it has an X. So the newer format is now including the X at the end. And so things are going to be, so if you have an existing macro functionality, you may have to, bring those in, and they'll still be read, you can still read them, but then you might want to update those to the new format, capturing any of the new features that you might get.